What's up, goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel and to my kitchen, how to cook. And today, at your request, I'm going to show you how to make Jamaican curry goat recipe in the kitchen, fast, easy, and simple. Make sure you subscribe, goodie, if you have not, and turn on your post notifications so you won't miss any other upload of all I'm returning goodie. And you don't know some love now. Are you ready for cook? Come on, let's cook. Welcome back again to my channel and to my kitchen. I'm gonna walk you through this recipe like 1, 2, 3. This is one of the recipes that you have been requesting. How to make Jamaican curry goat in the kitchen, fast, easy, and simple. I'm gonna show you how. Now I have my goat meat right here that has been cut into the desired pieces that I want it to be cut in, right? Your choice for that. Now after you get doing that, you want to make sure that you have a fresh lemon, salt, and some vinegar to make sure your meat nice and clean. You also want to have some cold water. Have 2 cups of cold water to clean up your meat real nice and clean. A good clean kitchen where I talk about with good clean food. Now all you want to do is go ahead and squeeze your lemon into the meat like that. Then you add your vinegar to it. You also add your salt like that, and then you also want to add some cold water just like that, depending on how much meat you cook. 1 cup or 2 cups or even more, right? So you go ahead and add that. You cover it up on your surface in a nice room temperature part of your kitchen and give it about 30 minutes, and then you rinse it off. Well, okay goodies, now that my meat is nice and clean, just the way I want it now, it's time to season up the meat and make the meat real happy. So, the first thing I always do is add salt and black pepper to it, right? Then I add my onion powder and my garlic powder in, even make it more happy. Now I'm going to add some Jamaican all-purpose seasoning, and I love to use the Grace brand. I'm going to add some pimento seeds to it, and based on how much you're cooking, you might need more, right? So this is green seasoning, and this is the one that I made at home. I'm going to put the link down below to show you how to make a mean green seasoning in your kitchen, fast, easy, and simple for any kind of food where you make, even vegan food as well. Now, I'm going to add the curry powder to it. If I'm not using Keatering curry powder, which I love so much, this is the only curry powder that I use. It's the Ocherius brand. I'm going to go ahead and add about a tablespoon of curry powder to it, just to make the meat happy. We add about a tablespoon there. And all the amount and everything that I use for the recipe will be listed down below. Now, this right here, you can season it overnight for the best taste. Now, I'm not going to be doing that, y'all. I'm going to be just covering this up for about 45 minutes. Then I have no time to season up meat. Now, you're on the go all the time. So we're going to make this fast, easy, and simple. We're going to cover this up for about 45 minutes and just let it sit and marinate. All that green seasoning and everything else that I put on here. We're going to make this meat happy, y'all. Look at that. The thing smells so good already. Now, goodies, make we talk about our vegetable dish right here. So, I have some onions, tomatoes, scallions, and thyme. Over there you'll find bell pepper. I love the flavor and the color that it gives to my meat. We're going with green, red, and orange. Also, I have some ginger right there. So we'll have to add ginger when you're cooking anything curry, right? Now, to that, I'm going to add the pepper right there. Pepper look pretty on the plate, but I am only going to add that for flavor because me don't like spicy. I just flavor we are talking about. So that is our vegetable dish. Everything here, the tomatoes, the onion, the bell peppers, oh, all yumptious. Yes, honey. Cooking time. Now goody, 30 minutes later, right? I have my pot on the fire and I put some cooking oil in there. Any oil of your choice is fine. Any oil you like use is fine. Now to that, I'm going to add another tablespoon of curry powder to it. And you don't want to burn it, okay? Please do not burn your curry powder. To that, I'm going to add my garlic and my ginger. Now, if you don't have fresh ginger, please use ginger powder. Right now, I'm frying up a medium heat. I'm going to cover that up good for about 15 minutes and make that meat come together and do them things with the garlic, and I'll come right back here in about 15 minutes. Okay, goody. Now that is what your meat looks like after it has been cooking for about 15 minutes. Now y'all, the next thing I'm going to do is add about 3 cups of hot water. Do not add cold water to the meat, y'all. You are going to let the meat stop cooking and the meat is going to get hard and tough. So make sure you add hot water only, and I'm adding 3 cups of hot water. Now to get the meat started to start tenderize, right? This meat should take about an hour or maybe a little bit more, but when this meat is when this meat becomes nice and tender, just the way I want it, you know, I'll come back and show you how to add in all the other ingredients. Simmer this thing down nice and then ready to eat it.
1 hour later.
Okay, goodies, it's been about an hour and a half since my meat been cooking, and it's cooked and it's nice and it's tender, just the way I want it. To that, I'm going to add all my veggies in. My hot pepper, right there, so I'm not going to cut it, I'm just going to put it in there for added flavor. You can go ahead and cut it if you like, but I'm not. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. I'm going to add some potatoes to it, because potato make curry anything taste better. Then you want to add a cup of hot water to it. Now is the perfect time to taste it to see if you need any added flavor to it. Me think I'm good right just so. But yeah, cover it up nice and tight, give it another half an hour, make everything come together nice and slow, medium heat. And when we're done, this is ready for go up on a plate. Here we go again, goodie. In my Jamaican kitchen, fast, easy and simple, just like you guys requested enough. Yes man, curry goat recipe in your kitchen any time of the week, ready for the table. If you are watching me cooking my version of Jamaican curry goat recipe in my kitchen, fast, easy and simple, make sure that you will subscribe. Like, share the recipe with your friend, your family, your neighbors, everybody where you want, right? And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy!